All right, what I'm going to do here is just make some breadcrumbs. Somebody was over the other day and they asked, how come I always have a basket of bread here? And I keep this, and all it is just all the bread that I don't eat. I dry it out, and it gets hard without molding. And then I break it up, put it in here, and I make breadcrumbs out of it. I don't buy breadcrumbs from the store because this is better. And there's, well, less chemicals in it for sure. But this just makes better breadcrumbs, dried breadcrumbs anyway. And this might get a little loud, but I'm going to grind this up and then add some stuff. And that's that. Homemade breadcrumbs. This batch, I'm going to add some seasoning because this afternoon I'm going to make eggplant Parmesan Heroes. So I'm going to add some seasoning to this and make more like an Italian style breadcrumb. But there you go. Breadcrumbs. So save your bread. All right, so all I'm gonna do here, since I'm gonna use this afternoon, is just put some just basic spices in it, and it'll be seasoned breadcrumbs or Italian breadcrumbs. So this is just black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and dried parsley. That's a brand new one. And then just kind of twirl it around a little bit. And that's it. Homemade breadcrumbs. Seasoned ones. Alright, so a lot of this I'm going to be using this afternoon, but I'm not going to use all of it. So let me show you how I do this. And it's a good trick. You can't directly vacuum seal breadcrumbs or flour or cornmeal or anything like that, because it'll get sucked up into the vacuum part of your vacuum sealer, and it's an absolute nightmare to clean. Let me seal the edge. So I put some in. And you could measure these. I don't, because everything, you know, I kind of wing everything. But you could measure however much you're putting in there. And by the way, when you do homemade breadcrumbs, you do it in a basket and make sure they're absolutely dry. If there's any moisture, you run the risk of getting mold. And you definitely don't want moldy breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to do one because I'm probably going to use that. So normally I would tape this, but I don't feel like going in there and getting the tape. So you just put that. See, all I did was just fold it up into a, you know, just a package. Put that in your bag. And there you go. Dried breadcrumbs that'll last virtually forever. And that's it. Homemade breadcrumbs. Vacuum sealed and all.